Every animal you've ever seen has already decided what you are, and none of them chose the word human. Right now, somewhere near you, a crow is watching you. Not just glancing, watching. It's memorizing your face, analyzing whether you're a threat. And if you ever cross it, even a single wrong look is enough. It will remember. For a long time. But here's what no one talks about. What does that crow think you actually are? Not human, not Homo sapiens. Those are our words, our categories, our story. To the crow, to the dog sleeping at your feet, to the cat staring at you from across the house, to the wolf disappearing into the tree line, you are something else entirely. And what they think you are might be the most unsettling thing you hear today. Let's start with what we know. Every animal on Earth has a mental map, shaped by millions of years of evolution. A map that tells it what's food, what's a predator, what's safe, and what's wrong. And somewhere in that map, there's a category for you. In a 2013 study published in PLOS One, researchers played recordings near watering holes in South Africa, wolves, dogs, and human voices. The result? Animals fled from human voices twice as fast as they fled from wolves. Twice as fast as wolves. You, the person watching this video right now, are not registered in the animal kingdom as a neighbor, not as a fellow living being, but as something more dangerous than even nature's most feared predators. For 300,000 years, humans hunted everything, every continent, every species, with tools, fire, and coordination no other predator had ever used. And animals don't forget, not individually, but evolutionarily. The fear of you is written into their DNA. But this is exactly where things get complicated, because not all animals see you as a predator. Some see you as something far stranger. Dogs, for example. Dogs have lived alongside humans for at least 15,000 years. And in that time, something remarkable happened. Dogs evolved to read human faces. They developed a muscle above their eyes, a muscle wolves don't have, just to make puppy eyes at us, just to manipulate us. Dogs didn't evolve to survive alongside humans. They evolved to hack our emotions. To a dog, you are not a predator. You are not prey. You are something that has never existed in the natural world before. A creature that can be manipulated into providing food, shelter, and love, indefinitely. Cats took an entirely different approach. The meow, that sound cats make, adult cats almost never use it with each other. They developed it specifically to communicate with humans. It mimics the frequency of a crying infant, triggering your caregiving instincts without you even realizing it. To a cat, you are not a companion. You are a very large, very useful parent. Then there are crows. We just talked about how they memorize faces. But researchers at the University of Washington discovered something even stranger. Crows teach their children which humans not to trust. They carry grudges across generations. Think about what that means. Somewhere nearby, a crow that has never even seen you, based on something it heard from a parent who heard it from their parent, might already have an opinion about you. You are the only creature on Earth that some animals fear more than wolves, others use like a parent, and others carry multi-generational grudges against. So what are you? In 2011, researchers at the University of Washington ran a simple experiment. Volunteers wore masks and caught crows for tagging. The birds weren't harmed. Then they released them and went home. That should have been the end of the story. It wasn't. In the years that followed, whenever those volunteers walked through campus, without their masks, the crows found them. They swooped. They dove toward them. They called out to other crows who had never seen those faces, and those crows joined in. The memory had spread. The crows had taught each other. But that wasn't the part that stopped the researchers cold. Some crows, ones that had only heard about the dangerous humans, never seen them, began leaving objects near the researchers who had never caught a single bird. Shiny things, small pieces of food. Scientists are still debating what this means. Were they testing? Trying to communicate? Reaching out in some way? We don't know. But those crows had built something in their minds around specific human faces, not just dangerous or safe, something different, something that required memory, teaching, and perhaps intention. You are not a background element in their world. You are a character in their world. This is what all of it adds up to. In 2012, the world's leading neuroscientists signed a document called the Cambridge Declaration on Consciousness. Their conclusion: non-human animals possess the neurological substrates that generate consciousness. They're not just reacting, they're experiencing. And you are part of what they experience. To some animals, you are the most dangerous thing that has ever existed. To others, you are a large and useful parent. To others still, you are a story passed down through generations, a warning, a memory, a presence. So I need to ask you something. If crows organize entire communities around your face, if cats developed a specific sound just to manipulate you, if dogs grew a brand new muscle just to communicate with you, then maybe the most important question isn't what they think you are. Maybe the question is, what do you think they are? Because the answer most of humanity has given, for most of history, just animals, might be the most expensive mistake we have ever made. Think about that. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful information. Please smash the like button and share your thoughts in the comments.